Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as if
I'm going to eat my little breakfast now. I have yogurt. I really like this brand. It's a little pricey, but your girl's gotta treat herself. It's 10:25. I have a patient at 11, but he just called to say that he wants to come a little earlier because he has a lot of pain, so I'm here anyway, so he's gonna come in a little bit. So I just finished seeing a patient. She had a lot of pain because she has an impacted lower 8 and it's got pericoronitis now. She also has like a little traumatic bite from the opposing 8, so fixed it up. I won't be seeing her after this though because she's going back to Hong Kong, so hopefully she finds a dentist there that will help follow up with her situation. I think I'm gonna eat lunch now.
years go by, it's easier to love. Oh, oh, easier to love. Oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
So my husband came to visit me at work to get scaling done. It was good enough.
Good.
He said it's torture your husband day, but I've never met anyone who complains this much for free dental checkup and scaling. Anyways, we are at Ikea now and we need to get some stuff for our home and we're gonna have dinner here, so let's go. It's been a while since we came to Ikea, right? I love coming to Ikea because I always feel like, wow, it's so nice, I want my house to look like that. But then we end up spending a lot at Ikea as well, so
Living like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to
we have a guest room which we have not furnished, and we are thinking of getting a single bed, so I think this one would suffice. It's simple, it's within budget, and yeah, it's great, and it's wood, so it matches the rest of our house.
oh, oh, easier to love. Oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.
just want you to know I really appreciate it. I only have like 130 subscribers anyways, so yeah, thank you to 130 people who subscribe and are watching. Today's my off day, and it is now 1:30 and I am in the parking of Ikea because the other day we got curtains made and it's ready for collection today. So my husband has gone down to get the curtains and I'm just waiting in the car. It's pretty much errands day. My off day is always errands day, and this morning was already pretty hectic. We got the TV guy from Samsung to come check out our TV because it's broken. So apparently it's a motherboard problem. Anyway, so that happened, and then we are now here at Ikea. After this, we are going to Kenny Hills Bakery for lunch. A little bit late, but yeah. And then we are going to Mid Valley to do some shopping, and most importantly, grocery shopping. Just my usual vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And yeah, press on the bell notification as well. Okay. We are at Kenny Hills. Managed to get a parking, which usually never happens. So for lunch at Kenny Hills, I got nasi kerabu, and I haven't had nasi kerabu in a long time, so yay! I'm so excited.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in grey, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom, I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and step away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops